Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. So this video, we are going to update our Google Sheet for next week and Monday for an intraday. So last week update, so we have a lot of trades which triggers in the call side as well as put side. And finally, the closing of that week, so we got a call side which triggers and it moves well, but we simply ignore the week. Why? Because of huge volatility seen and due to that election result and exit poll. So exit poll, we have almost 800 points movement in Nifty, and the result day almost 1300 point down. And finally now it is recovered and it is closed nearby that exit poll high. It's around 23,338. So here almost 320. So whatever the market which closes on 31st May, okay, it is higher than that closing price. Meanwhile, so we have seen there is a volatility almost 800 points upside movement compared to the previous day. Okay, so even based on our advanced option strategy concepts also, we are ignoring the trade. Only if we are doing the trade, it was based only on hedging kind of a system only we are doing, and that is also giving you such a good result. Like an example, so REC, PFC, so many stocks which we have seen on our previous videos. And this video, so we are going to update for the weekly positional. Monthly it would be same, and also monthly strike price would never change till the month end. Okay, so if previous month uh, we have a huge IV, and many stocks, almost 150 stocks having high IV, and that reason the premiums are very high. So our entry point based on our positional concept, it never change for the till the month end. So if you are looking at an opportunity, that would be always be a higher side only. So for example, PFC here in this monthly positional 490 call option, our entry point should be 55. Okay, and it has already given you the entry also. PFC 490 call option. Our entry point is somewhere around, sorry, this is a put option. So maybe call option also may got triggered our breakout point. So let me check that particular stock, PFC 490.67. So maybe 67 on the particular day, it went up to 75 and then it corrected and now it is close to 21. So the same PFC put option 490 that already triggered our entry point here and the result today. So started with 8 rupees and closed with 95, or 77 is the closing, high is 95. Our entry point on this monthly basis is around 55 only on the PFC. So where you can see the PFC entry point is 55 only, right? 55. So already achieved the target also. So most of the stocks, almost on the 1300 point, most of the stocks triggers our entry point. So maybe if you are tracking that monthly strike price, I think it is not good for the month of June, because already the majority of the movement is already done in most of the stocks. Okay, trying to find a new opportunities in this, it is also be the higher premium and also not good for positional, because already what that expected which shown on that IV that already happened. Okay, so the better way to execute our positional advanced option strategy by positional concept, which we can use for a weekly. So now the premiums are settled and also the IVs dropped mostly when Nifty IVs came around 18, 19 level. Okay, so now the market is settled. We can get a consistent movement either upside or a downside. So without a high volatility. So like a jump up, gap up and gap down. So we can ignore that things. And how we can plan for our positional strategy, weekly based trade, that should be a great opportunity. And the after this IV settlement, we have a lesser premium because most of the premiums are dropped. Okay, so we will be getting very lower premium compared to the last week. Okay, so we may easily focus a new opportunity on weekly basis, and intraday also be a daily one, so which we can utilize for an intraday. So daily we to try to take a 2 to 3 opportunities by intraday. That's also be we are working. And the new webinar where we are going to connect on Monday around 9 o'clock, 9:10. So we are going to start, and that mainly how we effectively use this Google Sheet Scanner, or how to use the Google Sheet Scanner to find out right opportunities and right strike price from our Google Sheet Scanner. That webinar is going to conduct on Monday. So if you are really interested, you can join. The website link will available in description. You can go through and join the webinar also. In weekly positional, we are looking for a new strike price and new opportunity. For example, how it is very smaller premium. So last week, maybe you are taken for a study of PFC. Okay, PFC, we are looking for a PFC put option 490, whatever the ATM strike price which you are taken. So put entry price is 55. Okay, and same time the call entry price in PFC. Let me check first. How the premium is dropped. 67. Okay, so this is the premium. So let me update the sheet for the next week from Monday to Friday, next Friday. So let me check how the premium will drop. So due to that volatility, how much premium which is increased in a particular ATM strike price of particular stock, then you'll be easily understood the concepts. So let me try to update our Google sheet now for the next week, as well as it is going to update intraday, and monthly sheet is never going to be changed. Only weekly and intraday will be changing the strike price and entry price. Monthly it's remain same. Okay, so let me try. So let me update our Google sheet now. So those on weekly. Last week a lot of opportunities, and it is a due to high volatility. So now we are updating the sheet. Okay, so let me wait. Strike price to be updated. Just a second. Just updating right now. Yeah. So everything is updated for the next week, whatever the strike price and the entry price, it are already updated here. So let me take a PFC in the ATM strike price, both call and put, how much the premium. So here is about 53. Even still for 85 ATM, put option is around 53 rupees. And call option, let me check the call option. Call option is 49. We understood. So previous the premium is around 67 rupees we are going to pay, and now it is 49 and 53. So let compare to this premium, it's more than 120. Almost 6122 is the total premium at this time, the started premium, but here right now is 102. So almost 20 rupees the premium drop from this first week and the second week. So you understood the concept why the premium is high, because of the IV and the expectation of that particular results. So now the premium almost 20%, more than 25% dropped from the previous week premium. So we may be getting an opportunity that I'm just calculating our entry point. Okay, so both, if you are calculating the premium as well as an entry point, both are same. But previously our entry point is near about 122, and now it is 102, almost 20 points down. So this is the thing which I'm saying you, the premium is dropped from the last week to current week. So now the sheet is perfectly updated for the week of, and the second week of May, sorry, second week of June. So let me check what are the strike prices, and everything is in the call side as well as put side, as I keep updated. And these are all the stocks at this moment, and after Monday market opens, based on the moment, and the list will be changing, and we will try to find out such opportunities like the fresh breakout that you know well. After 9:30 we are looking for a fresh breakout, and the liquid stocks we have to focus, and you know well how to we filter out the liquid stocks, something with our advanced option strategy, or by using a depth of the market. So that way you can filter out the stocks, and monthly still remaining same. There is no changes on the monthly position, so all are the same. But my suggestion for my positional strategy based on advanced concept. So this monthly strike price you should avoid, because most of the trades which is already triggered. If you are taking a new opportunity, it may be a re-entry only. But in weekly positional, we will be getting a fresh opportunities, and we can try for an opportunity from this list. And intraday, it's now it is updated, whatever the strike price which is showing you exactly 100, it is not a liquid one at this moment. Okay, so even we have updated after 9:30, the list will be the stock which is triggered our R4 level before 9:30, that would be removed. After that, we will be filtering out the stocks that we can learn on our Monday webinar. If you are not registered yet, you can register also. And this is what an update on our Google Sheet stock option positional scanner. So maybe next week have a good opportunities we can find out with our weekly sheet. I hope this video may be useful. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you want to access this Google Sheet, just ping me on my WhatsApp number to get more detail about the sheet. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and thank you.